Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. Today we have crossed 1,000 mark on YouTube, and thank you all of you for showing your support and encouraging us to create videos based on the market analysis, stock analysis, and option trading. There are many things that needs to be improved in analysis and in video, and I promise that I will improve everything gradually. So stay tuned and do share and subscribe to our channel, and also share it with others so that they can also learn about the analysis part of the market for free. So in today's video, we will be discussing about the market analysis for the next week, and also I have shortlisted some stocks that are looking good for a short term. So we will discuss about that as well. And few of the stocks are the recent IPOs. One of them is showing a sign of reversal after correcting. So we will check everything in this video. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So let's start with the Nifty analysis first. So जैसे कि आपको मालूम है कि we have shared this analysis in the last week video as well, and this was about the head and shoulder pattern that Nifty was about to form, but unfortunately Nifty ने अब तक ये pattern complete नहीं किया. We can't say that this pattern is failed, but it is not completed unless अगर ये Nifty it breaks 17 now this support line, which is 17,750. So then possibly this head and shoulder pattern will get completed, and we can see downside level in Nifty as well. But as of now, the Nifty had not broken this level, so we can't expect a down move right now. Apart from this, if we see hourly chart, so there is a breakout on hourly chart which is based on this trend line for Nifty. So यहाँ पे जो trend line है, I just adjust this trend line. So on hourly chart, Nifty had given a good breakout about this trend line. And अगर हम देखें तो this trend line was a resistance for Nifty. यहाँ पे एक resistance था, again यहाँ पे वापस resistance है, यहाँ पे भी resistance है. And then here it had given a good breakout on Friday. So one can expect a short-term up move in Nifty and overall market for short-term perspective. And जो हमारा target रहेगा for this breakout, so we will calculate it on the basis of range calculation. So ये जो हमारा high था इसके basis पे we will calculate, and this was the low. And ये जो range है हम इसको इसके ऊपर ऐड कर देंगे breakout region के ऊपर. So for short term, one can expect a target of around 18,750, which is almost 650 point higher from the current price. So this is a short-term target for Nifty, and this breakout will fail if Nifty breaks and close. If Nifty closes below this support, like below this level, which is the stop loss for the breakout, and that level is 17,800. So if Nifty closes below this, then this breakout will fail. Otherwise, one can buy Nifty futures, or one can buy Nifty Bs as well, and one can wait for a target of around 18,750, which is a good target for short term based on this breakout. And just a cautious note, not a this thing ki if Nifty closes below this 78,750, then possibly this head and shoulder pattern will get completed, and we might see some downward movement as well. So play safe and keep tight stop losses as well. Don't trade without stop loss, and the stop loss in this is 17,800 for short term. If one is expecting to play short term buy side on Nifty, so the stop loss will be 17,800 in that case. So this is about Nifty. Now we will see Nifty Bank. So मैंने पहले से ट्रेंड ड्रॉ करके रखा. So this was a resistance for Bank Nifty. जैसे यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस था, एंड अगेन यहाँ पे वापस रेजिस्ट करके इट हैड गिवन अ ब्रेकआउट अबाउट दिस, एंड इसके बाद इट हैड गिवन अ गुड मूव ऑफ अबाउट मोर देन 10%. उसके बाद बैंक निफ्टी इज नाउ हैड कंप्लीटेड अ रीटेस्ट ऑफ दिस ब्रेकआउट रीजन. जैसे हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे इसने रीटेस्ट कंप्लीट कर दिया, एंड यहाँ पे रिसेंटली ऑन फ्राइडे इट हैड फॉर्म अ काइंड ऑफ डोजी in on the support over the about the support line, which can be a bullish signal as well. And अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें तो one can like start to accumulate Bank Nifty stock as well, and one can keep a small stop loss at the low of this candle, which is around 38,467. So we will round it up to 36,400. The current price is 38,730. So one can go long in Bank Nifty as well. One can buy futures or one can add Nifty Bank Bs if one want to trade in cash. And the target for Bank Nifty for short term will be this thing 40,160, and the next target will be 40,000. 41,800. So these are the two targets for Bank Nifty that one can one can track for short term. So this is all about Bank Nifty. So we have seen about the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. अभी हम सेक्टर रोटेशन की शीट देखेंगे एंड इफ यू सी यहाँ पे So this is a sector rotation sheet, and ये जो sheet है I will share it with everyone. I'm just working on this so that it can be like you can all access this sheet as well. So as of now, there are two sectors that are looking positive. First is Nifty Energy and second is Nifty Media. So one can track this sector as well for short term, and these are the positional buy, which means it is good for positional trade. Nifty Energy का तो हमने last week देख लिया था, and Nifty Media में अगर हम देखें sectors that are bullish. So Dish TV is bullish and other data is not getting loaded fetched from Google Finance, but I will update it on the Twitter, so you can follow there on Twitter as well. So this is about the sector rotation sheet. Now we will see about the stocks that we have shortlisted for short term. So the first stock is JK Cement. So यहाँ पे there are two breakouts in JK Cement. अगर हम पहले we will see the yellow line first. So जो पहले yellow line है, it has given a breakout about this thing. The candle has given a breakout about the yellow line. And अगर हम अभी red line देखें, so if we see the red line, so it has formed a W pattern or a double bottom pattern, and now it had given a good breakout above the neckline. So these are the two bullish sign for JK Cement. Apart from this, after this breakout, इसने ये retest भी complete कर दिया, and the recent Friday candle was a good bullish candle. So one can track JK Cement as well for short term. So the buying price will be at current price, which is 3677. जो हमारा स्टॉप लॉस है, इट इज एट 3500, एंड जो टारगेट है हमारा, इट इज ऑन द ब्रेकआउट, सो इट इज 4240 इन जेके सीमेंट फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म. The next stock that we have shortlisted is from the IPO, recent IPO, and it is the Tatva Chintan. So यहाँ पे if you have missed, I have updated about the setup that I use in IPO trading already on our Twitter channel. So आप वहाँ पे you can check it. I have already shared a setup which is a good setup, and one can expect a good risk reward in that trade as well for recently listed company. So one can check that out as well. So अभी यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें, so I am just explaining about the setup. So जो IPO days का जो listing high रहता है, that is very crucial, and जो listing day का low रहता है, that is also crucial. So if this listing day high is if the price breaks above this listing day high, then one can expect a strong up move in the recent IPOs. And जो हमारा stop loss रहेगा, it will be at the IPO days का listing low. But in this case, it has given a breakout. यहाँ पे it had moved up, and अभी it is completing the retest part. So अब जैसे कि recent candle जो हम देख रहे, so after this retesting, in this down move, the stock had retested the breakout region again, and now we can see a good up move in Tatva Chintan. So the buying price in this will be 2725, which is the current price. The stop loss हमारा जो रहेगा वो 2500 रहेगा, and जो target है, it is 3000 and 3500 for short term. So this is about Tatva Chintan. So the last stock is Krishna Diagnostic. So I will just change the chart type. So I will open the weekly time frame chart. And यहाँ पे जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो, so ये जो bar chart है, and it has only plot HLC, which is high, low, and close. So यहाँ पे the recent Friday candle had given a close about the last previous day high. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे you can see the value. The previous day high was 689.4, and जो recent जो last candle का जो closing है, it is 689.45. So it is only 5 paisa above the previous week high. So this is a good sign of reversal for Krishna Diagnostic after this downtrend. अगर हमें downtrend में if we see कितना loss हुआ है, so it had lost around 43% of its listing price. So it has lost 43% value, and it is now giving a sign of reversal. So one can track Krishna Diagnostic as well. The buying price will be at the current price, which is 690. The stop loss will be 620, and the target हमारा रहेगा, it will be the recent swing high, which is 836, 967, and 1100. So one can track Krishna Diagnostic, and also this is a risky bet as well, because the stock is in a strong downtrend and it is a contra trade. So one can take less position in this, so that the risk on the overall capital is very less in this trade. So this is all about the stocks that I am that one can track for the next week, and this is all about the video. Also, if you have learned anything from this video, and if you like the analysis part, then you can subscribe to our channel, and also do share this channel with others, with your friends and relatives, so that they can also learn about the market. And once again, thank you guys for showing your support and encouraging us to share the market analysis video. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.